Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my last travel vlog from Mauritius trip. This is the Mauritius airport and we got the access to the lounge, and then we had a little bit of breakfast here and there. The hotel had packed for us, but they were all dry, like bread, butter and everything. So we wanted to have something hot and warm. So I had coffee, some fruits, some pancakes, and this lounge was pretty small but quite decent and for us to relax. And then we explored a little bit of the airport. Mauritius airport is beautiful, not that big, but really hassle free. Check in, security, everything went very easily. And this was the view. It was beautiful, and I was going to miss Mauritius a lot. We always thought we had to extend this holiday, and we were at the verge of doing it for 1 or 2 days more. But when we thought no more days are enough for this beautiful island, and we have to come back here for sure, maybe in future, but not now. But this was one of the best holidays we have had as a family together. Mauritius is really beautiful, really underrated. There is everything from food to culture to music to beaches to sea life, everything you can see. This was my view from top. I will miss this water. I will miss the Mauritian sky, which I was obsessed with during the trip. So, if you are planning for a budgeted trip to a luxury island with those beautiful properties, you have to check out Mauritius, because the property I stayed in, I told you, the Le Méridien, was amazing. You can check out all other blogs where I've posted about the property. The food, we had a lot of Indian food, Indian sweets, pure vegetarian, of course. So, you can consider Mauritius. I was going Seychelles before, but it was very expensive. The flights were really expensive for me, so because we are 4 people, so it came up to, and in that thing I just finished my whole trip. So this was a spa room in Le Méridien. I missed to put these clips, I'm putting in here. This was a spa. They had a heated jacuzzi, they had a snow room, they had everything. This was the snow room. You can sit here, freeze, then go to the jacuzzi. They had a steam room, a sauna room. You can book a massage here, which was not really expensive. And then on the day of island hopping, we did this parachute activity as well, which was really well organized. We were scared. We were doing it after a very long time, but I did it in Goa around 2014 or something. I don't even remember now, but this was really nice. So we left the kids in the boat, and they were fellow passengers in the boat, and the staff really took care of them while we finished this activity, because we were like, if we don't do it, no worth. Everybody did it, so we did one by one. There were 2 to 3 activities here, so we chose this one. There was a banana boat ride as well, but I was not really interested because at first it was too cold for me. Second, I had done that couple of times in Bali and Goa as well, so I didn't wanted to do it. Parachute, yeah, we were really excited. It was a couple thing, so both of us did it together. It was really beautiful. The sky was amazing, felt like a bird, all free. And then we came down. So this holiday was really budgeted. We spent almost 5 lakhs for 4 people for 6 days with food, shopping, everything. So I don't think so it was too much for a luxury island and a 5-star property to spend. Amazing, nice, amazing trip. So always I book my trip with our friend who is running a company called as Reef Travels in Bangalore. So we take his help and do it. So if you like this vlog, please subscribe to my channel and follow me.